Going back to Target, but it's my husband's birthday today, so I'm mostly going to go get him a birthday gift. Him and all the kids are still sleeping, and I got up early because Target. I'm kind of overwhelmed by how big this Target is, and I'm kind of nervous that I won't be able to find everything that I need in a timely fashion this morning. So it is 8:25. Let's see how quick I can do this. I'm trying to find the men's clothing. Okay, I think I found it. I actually specifically know he wants sweatpants, but not like the ones that are like cuffed at the bottom, but like flare leg sweatpants. So let's see if I can actually find those. Like not like that. See, they're all cuffed at the bottom these days. There's these, but they're like, you know, sleep-in lounge pants. More cuffed. I think I actually found some. They don't have his size. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? They're all so small at the bottom. These are like a different material. I can't believe I couldn't find a single pair. I've been struggling so bad to find sweatpants that are not cuffed at the bottom. I am gonna grab a basket for whatever goodies I find. Did I take somebody else's cart? Because that's not mine. Really bummed I couldn't find him sweatpants. I really like this green. I'm debating on getting this for him anyway. I just don't think he will like it because of the cuffed. Ugh. Is it mean to get him golf stuff in the winter? I feel like these are just kind of fun to throw in there. I know he needs new earbuds. I'm gonna get these ones, I think. Or do I get these ones? Maybe those ones. I took someone else's cart again. Oh my gosh, how did that happen? Where's my cart with the basket? Oh look, there's my cart. Okay, I'm still so mad about sweatpants. For my puppy. Why do these all smell the same to me? Doing that one. His fave. His other fave. Tissue paper. I think by some miracle I found some joggers that are they're not like superly cuffed at the bottom. He wishes they were like flared though. I found one with a zipper on the bottom and it's the wrong size. I'm so bothered and frustrated by the sweatpants situation. This is the best option I can find, so I guess we're gonna see. All right, made it out of there. Got Starbucks again too. I'll taste test them and make his gift basket like in my next video.